Star Wars fans and watch collectors. Today, we are taking a close look at the latest addition to Citizen's Galaxy Far Far Away collection, the Luke Skywalker Jedi Master Edition, reference AW1910-48W. Retailing for $450 and available now through Citizen's US website, this timepiece takes inspiration from one of the most iconic figures in cinematic history and translates it into a sophisticated, everyday watch. At first glance, the watch strikes a subtle balance between fan service and classic horology. The star of the show is the black and green dial, featuring a sleek silhouette of Luke Skywalker wielding his lightsaber. Citizen didn't just print this design on, they applied a rich luminous coating to the watch hands, hour markers, and the lightsaber itself. When the lights go down, the green glow really brings the dial to life. Up top, you'll spot a subtle Rebel Alliance emblem sitting proudly at the 12 o'clock position. Flipping the watch over, the solid caseback features an engraving of Luke's legendary line from Return of the Jedi, "I am a Jedi, like my father before me." It's a clean homage that feels tasteful rather than overly gimmicky. Moving on to the case and construction, the watch features a 43mm polished silver-toned stainless steel case. At 43mm, it carries a prominent, modern wrist presence, though if you have smaller wrists, it might feel a touch large. The watch comes paired with a high-quality black leather strap that incorporates green contrast stitching and a matching green inner lining, perfectly echoing the dial's color scheme. It fastens securely with a standard pin buckle clasp. Under the hood, this model is powered by Citizen's signature J810 Eco-Drive quartz movement. For those unfamiliar with Eco-Drive technology, it uses an internal solar cell to harvest energy from any light source, whether natural sunlight or ambient indoor lighting. That means as long as the watch receives light, it keeps charging, completely eliminating the need to pop open the case and swap out standard watch batteries every few years. For protection, Citizen went with a standard mineral crystal over the dial. While mineral glass offers decent impact resistance, it is somewhat more prone to fine scratches over time compared to premium sapphire crystal, so that's worth keeping in mind for daily wear. On the flip side, the watch comes with a robust 100-meter, 10-bar water resistance rating. That means you don't have to take it off for everyday tasks, showering, swimming, or even snorkeling. Overall, the Citizen Luke Skywalker Jedi Master Edition delivers a great blend of light-powered reliability, subtle thematic details, and solid daily usability. If you're a Star Wars enthusiast looking for a high-quality timepiece that doesn't scream toy, this $450 release is definitely worth checking out. What do you think of this Luke Skywalker edition? Do you prefer subtle thematic watches like this, or do you like bolder designs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch reviews, and thanks for watching.